So what's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about upgrading East-West credit cards. So paano nga ba magpa-upgrade ng East-West credit card natin? Saan kayo pwede tumawag? Ano yung mga process at saka yung requirements? At saka ano yung dapat yung itandaan or mga factors na dapat yung isaalang-alang kapag balak nyo magpa-upgrade ng East-West credit card ninyo into higher tier. At saka ano yung mangyayari sa annual fee, of course. Yung income requirement na kailangan para ma-upgrade or makapag-request kayo ng East-West credit card ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para update kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to upgrade your East-West credit card, you must meet higher income requirements. Kasi of course, kapag nagpa-upgrade kayo ng East-West credit card ninyo, tataas din yung income requirement nun depende sa East-West credit card na gusto ninyo. Example is PHP 1 million plus for Platinum. Kasi itong Platinum guys is mga higher tier ng credit card ito ng East-West. Kaya naman nangangailangan siya ng mas mataas na income requirements. And submit updated financial documents like proof of income, ITR, and your current card statement via ESTA or East-West System Tech Assistant on Facebook Messenger. So, kapag gusto niyo magpa-upgrade guys, yung kailangan nyong puntahan is yung ESTA, which is yung East-West System Tech Assistant sa Facebook Messenger. Siguro naman guys, aware kayo noon, no? Kapag may credit card kayo sa East-West, kailangan naka-enroll siya sa ESTA or yung East-West System Tech Assistant nila sa Messenger, which is yung sinasabing ESTA chatbot. Kasi doon nyo lang pwede i-lock yung East-West credit card ninyo, to be honest. Based on my experience, kailangan talaga maka-enroll kayo sa East-West ESTA chatbot, which is sa Facebook Messenger, kasi andun lang yung feature, wala siya sa East-West EasyWay application or sa East-West EasyWay online banking. Siguro man aware kayo dun, no? Then, or email at cardapplication@eastwestbanker.com or by calling 24-hour hotline at 632-8888-1700. So, ito yung official contact number ni East-West, guys. Kapag wala kayong maintindihan, like for example, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung gagawin, much better to contact them to ask directly na gusto mo magpa-upgrade ng East-West credit card ninyo. Ito yung official contact number nila. 632-8888-1700. So, kailangan nyo guys, talaga may makausap kayong agent ni East-West, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng kalinawan. Kung may katanungan kayo, masasagot kayo kaagad. Pero kung aware naman kayo, pwede kayo sa ESTA, which is sa Facebook Messenger, via ESTA chatbot. Key details for upgrading East-West credit cards. Eligibility requirements. Higher tier cards require specific minimum gross annual incomes. So here, para sa mga Platinum, halimbawa gusto mong ipa-upgrade yung hawak nyong credit card niyo sa East-West into Platinum Mastercard or JCB, yung required annual income requirement niya is 1 million pesos up to 1.8 million pesos. 1,800,000 or 1.8. Para naman sa Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer World, kung gusto niyo ganito yung credit card ninyo na palitan niyo yung dati niyo, tapos gusto mo ganito yung pamalit, itong Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer World, kailangan yung annual income requirement niyo guys is 2,600,000. Documents needed. So, nangangailangan din ng yung documents guys, no? Latest BIR Form 2316 or ITR. So, ito guys, take note lang, no? Halimbawa, hindi naman ganito yung earnings ninyo. So, tatanungin nyo talaga, paano kung ganyan, hindi ganyan yung income, annual income, which is yung 1 million to 1.8. Pwede naman kayo makapagpa-upgrade, guys, basta depende sa credit limit ng hawak ninyong credit card ni East-West. Pwede yun, like for example, sa ganitong Singapore Airlines, yung credit limit naman ng hawak yung credit card ngayon is nasa 1M. So, qualified siya ngayon sa Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer. Pwede pa rin ma-push through yun without submitting documents, like for example, yung latest BIR form or your ITR, basta yung credit limit is mataas. Ganun talaga yung susi, guys. Kailangan yung credit limit mataas para ma-avail yung or maabot yung required credit limit ng credit card na gusto ninyo. Tulad nito, si Platinum Mastercard, 1 million at 1.8, o di ba? Hindi naman lahat nag-earn ng ganun. Maliban na lang kung talagang business ka, may business ka talaga, tapos malaganda yung trabaho mo, ganyan, kumikita ka ng malaki. Pero kung hindi ganito yung earnings mo, pwede ka pa rin magka-platinum. Basta gamitin mo yung credit card mo ng tama, nababayaran mo ng maayos, on time, tapos nakita ni East-West na responsable ka sa mga utang mo, sa mga sinaswipe mo sa credit cards. Nababayaran mo on time, di ba? So there's a chance na tataasan nila yung credit limit mo ng kusa. Tapos, pwede na yun. Itatanong mo ngayon sa customer service ni East-West kung qualified ba yung hawak mong credit card ngayon into Platinum Mastercard or Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer or kahit na anong credit card ni East-West. Ngayon, kapag yung credit limit nga na-reach yun, yung kailangan ng credit card na yun, i-approve yung upgrading of East-West credit card ninyo. Ngayon, kung hindi ganun kalaki, pero may mga documents ka naman na ipoprovide, no? Meron silang documents needed. Yung latest BIR form, 2316 ITR, then Certificate of Employment with Compensation Breakdown. Kailangan yun yung sahod ninyo kung empleyado kayo. Dapat naka-breakdown yung sahod ninyo para makita nila. Latest 3 months pay slip, no? Para malaman nila na employed ka talaga at hindi ka gumagawa-gawa lamang. Then, valid credit card reference and latest statement of account. So, kung may iba kayong credit card, pwede nyo gamitin yon. Documents needed. So, pasa mo lahat yon. Tapos, pag na-review nila, okay naman lahat, then i-approve nila yung credit limit increase ninyo or yung upgrading of East-West credit card ninyo. Then, let's talk about how to apply. So, paano nga ba magpa-upgrade ng East-West credit card? Via ESTA FB Messenger. Use the East-West System Tech Assistant or ESTA to initiate the application. Siguro naman, aware kayo, tulad na sabi ko kanina, yung ESTA Messenger, yung Facebook Messenger, ESTA Chatbot. Then email. Submit requirements to cardapplication@eastwestbanker.com, mail to cardapplication@eastwestbanker.com. So, ito yung official email ni East-West kapag balak nyo mag-upgrade ng East-West credit card ninyo. Pwede rin guys via phone call. 24-hour ito. Pwede nyo tawagan. 632-498-1700. Yun yung official hotline number ni East-West. Processing time typically takes 10 to 15 banking days upon submission. So, kailangan nyo mag-antay ng certain period of time para ma-process yung requesting of or upgrading of East-West credit card ninyo. All applications are subject to credit evaluation and approval. So, kailangan malaman nyo na hindi siya basta-basta na-approve. Chine-check nila yung records mo. Kung okay lahat, din ma-approve yun. Then yun guys, ano nga ba yung mangyayari sa annual fee kapag nagpa-upgrade kayo ng East-West credit card ninyo? Nais kong malaman ninyo guys na kapag nagpa-upgrade kayo, halimbawa yung annual fee lang ng hawak yung credit card ngayon is nasa 3,000. Tapos nagpa-upgrade kayo into higher tier. Tapos 5,000 yung magiging annual fee nun. So, yung 3,000 na binabayaran nyo, pag na-upgrade na yon yung credit card ninyo, tataas na rin yung annual fee membership na babayaran nyo every year sa East-West credit card ninyo. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo. Tapos yung credit limit, same lang din. Kung basta, kailangan talaga yung credit limit, o ulitin ko, ma-reach yung required credit limit ng credit card na gusto nyong maging. Kung gusto nyo ipalit, like for example, tulad yung na Platinum. So dapat yung credit limit ng Platinum is ma-reach ng hinahawakan yung credit card ngayon para ma-approve yung requesting of upgrading your East-West credit card. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!